My goodness. Oh, it is so wet and windy outside. But you know, even though it's like this, I mean, rain, this is a perfect example of Mother Nature's therapy. And rain and the sound of rain, there's so much healing and therapy within those sounds. And it's something that, you know, some of us may be very empathetic to, and then others don't notice it. But when you listen to something like rain and the sounds of Mother Nature in general, you don't need meditation, you don't need hypnotism, you don't need drugs, you don't need hallucinogens, you don't need anything, because within the sound of rain is the therapy that only Mother Nature could give. And as you allow yourself to be conscious of that and give yourself permission to succumb to that therapy of Mother Nature, all these telepathic thoughts and information, you know, messages will come to you in the form of this therapy. Through this rain, through the sounds of this rain, you will get impressions, you will get messages, you will get clarity on so many things that perhaps you're struggling with. Sound therapy and music is so important. And you hear me say time and time again how important it is to be very conscious of what you're listening to, because music is the exterior representation of those life-giving inner sounds that act therapeutically within our body, to heal our body, to nurture our body, to give us insight, to give us wisdom. And being mindful of what you are listening to and allowing your body to be around is really going to affect your external environment. We only have to see what pop music and popular type of music, what and how it is governing the way that people live in their lifestyles. And I mean, look, you know, and I'm not dogging any music or genre, but when you listen to hip hop and rap, like really hard stuff, it glorifies violence. It glorifies getting more money and standing on anybody that gets in your way and just getting your way to the top under no circumstances, whatever the top is. And so it makes people feel like aggressive and basically not to give a damn about anybody else, or, you know, so constantly listening to this music it makes people feel powerful, you know, and not necessarily in a positive way, but perhaps you do get positivity from this music. I'm not sure, but what you listen to is ultimately your choice. But just know that there is a lot of subliminal programming going on within the music industry itself. If you watch my original video about the importance of knowing the difference between A440 and A432, knowing that our standard concert pitch is set at A440, which was introduced by, you know, the German Nazis in order to create mind control and programming, which made the soldiers more aggressive. You see the disharmony when you observe in experimental conditions somatics where certain pitches and tones are played within the A440 hertz, and then they are played in the A432. You see the beautiful pattern formations and the difference between the two frequencies. So it's quite fascinating, incredible, just how manipulated our music is. But you know, with rain, especially today, sometimes it's nice just to turn everything off and to just listen to that beautiful sound of striking wind or slashing rain, or just stillness, and There are messages from the earth, from Mother Nature, from existence within itself, through the rain, through the wind, through storms, through anything. There are messages within. So natural sound therapy out in nature can be more medicine than any pill, than any psychological session with a doctor. Mother Nature provides everything you need. Truly. Love you guys.